What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I want to do a walk around of our 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser. So show you some of the mods we've done and some of their favorite features. So let's go. All right, guys, this is our 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser. I installed a 1-inch Shim kit from Toyota. It just sits on top of the coilover there. And then we did Toyo Open Country AT3s. Try to find the size here. 275/70 R18. Here's what it looks like. I'll show you the front profile here. So I went with a little narrower size. The stock size is 285/60/18. These are about a 33/11. Here's a side profile of it for you. No rubbing at all. Didn't have to take any plastics off. I'll show you. Still have the front splash guard, and then the mud flaps are unmodified. So no fitment problems in the back. I did the lift myself. It was pretty easy. The KDSS is kind of difficult. You have to loosen some valves under there, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Coming around back, well, I'll go back on the side here. So we did tint the windows. The fronts are 35%. The backs are all the other rest of the glasses are 20% on top of the factory tint. So here's a shot from the side. And here you can see the mud flap with the slightly narrower tires. I think this would look good if it had some offset wheels like my truck has, like the Methods, that move the tire out a bit. But I'll give you a full walk around and we'll look at the inside of it. It's really clean for 2016. There's really no damage or anything on this front bumper. It's a little dirty, but I'll show you. There's a chip, it looks like, but other than that, she's in like perfect condition. So one of the favorite features I love about this thing is the split hatch that it has. So for those of you who don't know, Land Cruisers, the top opens, and then this is a tailgate. So super cool. Traditional Land Cruiser. They're ditching this on the 300 series. So really sad to see that go. I'll put some pictures of the 300 series. I really don't like it, but yeah, guys. We love it. Like I said, no rubbing. I think the 1-inch lift makes it look great. It really leveled it out. It looks beefy. I don't know how you can see how tall it looks. And I'll show you the CV axles, just for those that are wondering. Still really good. It aligned well. One thing I don't like about the US 200 series is the DRLs. So overseas they utilize this LED strip, but in the US this low beam just functions at a lower wattage. All right, guys, I want to show you what I'm talking about the DRL. So this is the US DRL. When you turn the parking lights on, you can see the strip lights up. Overseas, this strip is the DRL, and it's brighter. And then this is turned off. You don't even get the low beams on. So that's one thing I wish they would change. It doesn't give it the cool look that like the overseas ones has. It has just a strip bar. Now the LX570 has it on the Lexus, but Toyota gave the Land Cruisers just the headlight. But she's really clean, guys. I mean, we bought it back in August and just done a few mods to it. Nothing crazy. It's the family vehicle, so. But we love it. I just wanted to show you guys a little walk around of this. I've done some videos on the Toyos, but I've never actually showed you guys the full package. And then here's the tread pattern for those of you that haven't seen my other videos. Check out my Toyo videos. So So I did want to show some of my favorite features of this cruiser. It's on the inside. Now, I don't understand why Toyota can't do this on like the Tundra and all the other vehicles, because they have the technology. So here's the backup camera. As you can see, you get a nice camera. You can change the views to full. It goes with you when you turn. But you also get a nice 360 view, guys. Like, what the heck? Why can't you put that on other models? And then when you go into drive, you get this nice front camera with a 360 view, and you can change the, well, this changes where, I think it shows where you go, maybe. Yeah, over here. Where if you hit it off, it doesn't. Yeah. Now, if you hit this camera button down here, there's other views you can get. So, like, here's a side view. So, yeah. They have it, and then if you go into 4 low, you get these off-road pages, which is super cool. It'll tell you your steering, so you can see the front wheels where they're gonna be. Gives you a side view, all that stuff. Super cool. I do want to show also, when you put in reverse, the mirror tilts down. And it does it on both sides. And you have to have the mirror switch onto one of the sides. Because like if I have it in the middle, it doesn't move. But if I move it over to the side, it moves down. So another cool feature. Again, guys, we love our Land Cruiser. We bought it back in August with 24,000 miles. It's got 29,800 on it now. We've done a lot of road trips with it. After the lift tires, it still rides great. The mile per gallon, it took about a 1 mile per gallon hit with the lift and the bigger tires. So overall, we're super happy with it. I definitely recommend the 200 series, guys. I mean, these are, on paper, you know, these don't look that great. They're not very big. But when you actually live with them, it makes sense why people love these so much. I feel like these are one of the vehicles that you have to own before you can truly appreciate it. Because when you look at the price, I mean, this one was like 86 sticker. For 86, you can get a lot of nice vehicles. You can get like a Yukon Denali. You can get probably a low model Escalade. But this thing has retained its value amazingly since we bought it in August. I'm going to do a video on that too, just the value of this thing, because it's crazy. Ever since Toyota announced that they were ending production. So, I really don't like the 300 series from what I'm seeing on the Land Cruiser. Maybe the Lexus will look cooler. But yeah, guys, I'll plug some pictures in here of the 300 leak pictures that I've seen, just to show you guys what I'm talking about. But yeah, we love our Cruiser, and the Tundra's great too. They look good together. So I hope you guys liked the little walk around of our Land Cruiser. Like I said, I wanted to show it off. I talked about it in other videos. Had never done a video about it. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the Land Cruiser in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Appreciate your support. Thank you very much.